Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com on Wednesday, let's make it May 14th. I want to look at Home Depot today, and the reason is because this is like, two trades, multiple trades in one stock, depending on your time frame. Okay, we're on a daily chart. If we're just kind of looking at it in this time frame, well, then the buy points are down here when it hits like 75, 76. You've seen them here. And then you just hang on to the stock. I mean, this is like, channel trading for non-technical analysts. Buy the stock here, you see it, you sell it when it gets like above 80, 82. You can say, well, that's not much. Well, au contraire, mon frere. 76, you buy a stock at 76, you sell it at 80 bucks. You do it again and again and again. That adds up. And this is the way this stock has been trading. So what do you do now? Nothing. Wait for the stock to come down here. Once it bounces, then you go ahead and do that trade again. Just make sure you keep a tight stop here. And then again, by the way, so you go ahead, you buy the stock down here. Don't sell it when it gets to 84. You don't own it then. You're going to be selling it when it gets to 80, maybe a little bit above that, but that's the trade. And so why am I so intent on looking at this downside here and keeping a stop? This is why. Because when you look at this in a longer view, like a satellite view, what we see is one of two things that's currently unknown. We see a very long consolidation that leads to upside, or we see a very long complex top that leads to the downside. We don't know that. So if you're a short-term trader, there's your trade. If you're a long-term trader, you don't want to be owning Home Depot right now. You don't, because it's drifting sideways. It's not making you any money. I guarantee you, you'll be able to buy this stock at the same price or lower, 76.31, at some point over the next month or so. And what I'm saying is, this is drifty. It's sideways. It's up and down. But you look at the way this is interacting with the 200-day moving average. It's above it. Now it starts to get below it here this one time. And then finally, it's kind of below it a lot. Starting to get more so. So this looks like it could be a top here. And so we just have to wait and see. So long-term investors don't own Home Depot. There's no reason to, unless you want to get the 2.4 dividend yield, which is fine. You can do that. But just wait. If you're a short-term trader, do those channels, because the channels work. Okay, members, over to the strategy session. I want to talk about the post that I made in the forum today.